Kiki, Algo can make anything. Anything, even a pancake castle. Beep boop, I can build it all. But you must tell me how. Algo, Algo, make a world with a magic word and a screen unfurled. I can build a mountain, I can build a sea, but you have to describe it specifically. It's not just magic, it's a prompt. Type it in, give it a stomp. If you're vague, it's a messy guess, but be specific, it's a success. Magic words, let's engineer. Tell it clearly, make it appear. I want a cat. A silly broccoli cat appears, huh? That's not right. Beep boop, you said a cat, that's all I knew. So I made something silly just for you. If you don't say color, size, or place, AI might get confused in the race. You might get a cat that's flying in space, or a dancing llama with a cupcake face. It's not just magic, it's a prompt. Say it clear, don't be a chomp. Short and simple might be a mess. Add more detail, it works the best. Magic words, let's engineer. Make it sharp, make it clear. Okay, I want a fluffy orange cat, wearing a tiny blue hat, sitting on a giant pancake. Wow, that's amazing! Now that's a prompt, you got it right. Clear and detailed, nice and bright. You're the boss, you lead the way. Tell it clearly, AI will obey. It's not just magic, it's a prompt. Think it through, then make it pop. Colors, shapes, and where it goes, that's the way your picture grows. Magic words, let's engineer. Build your world right here. Let's try something funny. A purple dog with roller skates, eating pizza on the moon. All flat. You see, you're creating what you say. Your ideas build the world your way. It's not just magic, it's a prompt. Dream it big, don't you stop. Funny, silly, big or small, your words can build it all. Magic words, let's engineer. Say it loud, make it clear. You can make castles in the sky, or rainbow fish that fly so high. A jungle made of candy trees, or dancing robots drinking tea. Your imagination leads the way, I just help you bring it to play. It's not just magic, it's a prompt. You're the creator, take the fun. Every detail that you choose shapes the picture that you use. Magic words, let's engineer. Your ideas start right here. Can we prompt a secret? Can we prompt a lie? Oh no, my friends, here's why. Keep your prompts kind, safe and true. The world I build comes from you. Kind ideas help everyone. Safe creations are more fun. It's not just magic, it's a prompt. Kind and smart, don't you stop. Safe and true in all you do. Build a better world for you. Magic words, let's engineer. Bright ideas start right here. So, what's the secret? Say it clearly and make it kind. Think it, type it, make it true. The AI world begins with you.